Hello, fly babies. Hello, patrons. Hello, my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and it is Errand Day. So whether you work or stay at home, we're going to get up a half hour before the family and do our morning routine, taking care of you. And then when that is done, you're going to get your children up or the rest of your family and make sure they go through their morning routine. So again, at the end of the morning routine, the beds are made, the toilet is clean, the sink is wiped out, the towels are hung up, the kids are dressed, you're dressed, you have on your makeup, your perfume if you wear it, your jewelry, you've eaten breakfast, or at the end you've all eaten breakfast, the dishes have been put away from the dishwasher or the dish rack, the kitchen looks great, you look great, the kids look great, it is a great day. Now if you're going to work, then you have to know what today is. Today is errand day. So if you're going to run some errands, think about that before you get to work and do those on your lunch hour and breaks. Maybe you want to give away those things that you've been putting in the giveaway in the back of the car today. Maybe you needed to go pick something up or put something in. I wouldn't suggest groceries unless you're one of those who wants to do it on your way home. I was never one of those, but if you are, that's fine. Or maybe you have delegated the groceries. Maybe you've ordered them and somebody's going to pick them up for you today, or they're going to be delivered to your home later. So that's your groceries and that's your errands. Now you're on your lunch hour. Oh, I forgot to tell you, do a quick clutter check before you leave the house. On your lunch hour, you're going to call the fam and say, hey, don't forget that today is Thursday, so Johnny, your job is to mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. You can do it. Don't spend more than 10 minutes on it. That's kind of the opposite of what you've told him before, right? Don't spend more than 10 minutes on it. Focus on it, get it done. And you don't have to do the whole floor in the kitchen, just the parts where we walk on. But you do have to do the whole bathroom floor or floors. All right? And then tell them where to put the thing when it's done and what to do with the pad when it's done, you know, how to complete the process. All right, so now, that'll be awesome. Now, when you go home today, you're going to inspect what you expect. Look and see, did Johnny mop the kitchen and the bathroom floors? Did he hang the mop where you told him? Did he take the pad off of it and go hang it over the thing to dry or whatever? High fives all around. Great job. Okay, if Johnny didn't do it, even though you told him at lunch and on your way home, then he has chosen not to do it, so he's chosen his consequence. You remind him of that. He doesn't get a chance to do it now, you do it. All right, now you're going to run laundry. You're going to go through your inch of paper. You're going to start supper. After supper, or while supper is holding, you're going to do your Zone 4 master bedroom plan. So either it's to clean for 10 minutes or less in there, or it's to do 15 minutes of decluttering and then complete the process by putting it away, putting it in the giveaway in the back of the car, starting a brand new back of the car stack, or put it away in the house in its home. All right, and then I want you to hold tight there and let me get the at-home fly babies up to par. So, at-home fly babies, you're going to get up before the family. You're going to do your morning routine. The kids are going to do their morning routine, same as the payroll fly babies. Now, after that, you're going to do your clutter check. And after the clutter check, you're going to do your bedroom. I want you to get that done first. And then when that's done, either decluttering or cleaning, then you're going to run your errands. I want you to stay home. Yeah, I told you to clutter check. Okay, so now you're going to run your errands. Don't forget, don't take more money than you need. If you're a spender, take $1 less than you budgeted. And do the best you can with your grocery list. You can do this, and you're not going to go back in the week. This is it. You're going to do a good job. You're going to buy what you really need. All right, next, you're going to get home. You're going to put the groceries away. You're going to prep the veggies and prep the fruits. You want to make those clean and nice and easy to get to. Then you're going to do a clutter check again because the kids and you have been home for a while. What have you cluttered mindlessly? Then after that, you're going to enjoy the day, have some lunch, whatever. And then before dinner, actually no, you're going to make dinner, and then after dinner everyone's going to do the after dinner routine. Now we're all together again, payroll and you, so we're all doing the after dinner routine together. That's a family affair. Then after that you're going to do another clutter check. That's the third one of the day, remembering that those areas that you've recently decluttered are the most vulnerable. Even if it's your bedroom, even if your kids aren't allowed in there, go and check. What have you mindlessly cluttered? There's a reason it got cluttered in the first place. Okay, next is before bed routines, and then checking your planner included in that, just like you do in the morning. taking those things out of the freezer for dinner tomorrow. What are you having for dinner tomorrow? On Friday, I'm having spaghetti and salad, so I need to take my meat out of the freezer. All right, next, the before bed routines, and then your before bed routine. Make sure you're in bed on time, 30 minutes before sleep time, and then when those 30 minutes are up and you've been able to relax, roll over, go to sleep, and get up tomorrow morning, starting a brand new day. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.